Okay, so let's look again. I stopped somewhere in here. I think I tried to do 37, but we really need to start with 35, 36, and 37 all kind of go together. And so 35 says, what is the ionization constant for this conjugate acid of this? And so if I have the Kb equals 4.4 times 10 to the negative fourth, then to figure out the Ka would equal Kw divided by the Kb, which is going to be 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by 4.4 times 10 to the negative fourth. And so 1.0 second EE negative 14 divided by 4.4 second E negative 4 equals, and I get 2.3 times 10 to the negative 11th would be the Ka for this acid, and this was for CH3NH2. And then it asked me also to look at the next question is CH3 twice NH, and it has a K B of 5.9 times 10 to the negative fourth. And just now looking at these two numbers, for these two KBs, I can compare them directly and tell which one is a stronger base, because base strength will tell me how strong it is looking at Ka or Kb. And so which number of these is larger? Luckily, they have the same exponent, so 5.9 is larger than 4.4. So this base, CH3,2NH, is a stronger base than CH3NH2. Okay, now let's look at and calculate what the Ka for this one is going to be. So Ka here is going to equal 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by 5.9 times 10 to the negative fourth. And I get that answer is 1.7 times 10 to the negative 11th. And we see by comparing these two answers now, the stronger base is now going to be the weaker acid. So when we're looking at CH3,2NH2 plus, it's going to be a weaker acid than CH3CNH3 plus. So this one would be the stronger acid. This is the weaker acid. Because this is a stronger base, then this has to be the weaker base. And so what they're trying to get you to look at is comparing Kas to Kbs. You can't do that. You have to calculate what the Ka is for the conjugate acid or the conjugate base. So I think that covers about all the questions on the homework that you might have. Again, I would, on something like number 40, what do you think you should do? Well, I think that I would look at electronegativities, and I would start comparing which one has more electronegative elements versus fewer, or the same number, then are they stronger or weaker? So I hope that's helpful. If not, of course, drop me an email and I'd be happy to help you out some more. Okay, thanks.